Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about capital gains and tax exemptions and how to report these and how to do it online when you're filing your return online. So let me get the video started and we'll go through this together. So a capital gain, if this is what's going to be considered a capital gain. If you've sold stocks, sold bonds, or real estate, those would be either a capital gain or a capital loss, depending if you made money or lost money on it. The capital gain or loss is based on the original price compared to the sales price. So just to make it simple for you guys, if you paid $10 for something, say you paid $10 for one stock and you sold it for $15, you have a $5 gain. You're going to pay tax on that $5. Now if you reverse it, you bought something for $15, sold it for $10. You're going to have a $5 capital loss. The losses have to be reported even though you didn't make money. So a lot of people get that confused and think, well, I lost money on my stock trade. I don't have to report it. Or I lost money on bonds, real estate. You still have to report it. It's still a capital gain, capital loss. You're only taxed on the profit. So the loss, you have to report it. There's going to be no tax because there's a loss. Typically, you're going to pay 5% capital gains tax if your income is between 10 and 15% income. You'll be charged 10% capital gains tax if your income is in the 25% income tax bracket. Now you have a 25% capital gains tax for real estate sold that is depreciated. 28% capital gains apply to the sales of collectibles and small business stock. So there's not, you can see here, there's not just one rate. This gets pretty technical in the sale of capital assets. This is kind of new. This is new. You're exempt from capital gains tax if you're in the 10 to 15% income bracket. So that's pretty huge, and that's new. When you prepare your return online electronically, it's going to automatically put you into these different brackets, so you don't have to worry about getting this right. So that's why I recommend doing the return online if you can. You're going to report capital gains on Form Schedule D, and this is attached to your regular Form 1040. So if you've never reported capital assets, this is just a one-page thing that gets attached to your regular 1040. Again, you do it online, it's automatically going to include this form, Schedule D. You'll need the exact dates you bought and sold the capital asset, so make sure you have records of that. Capital losses, you can report $3,000 a year in losses. Anything more than that you can carry forward to future tax years. So if in another forward year you made money in capital gains, you can take that loss and carry it to that year and offset the gain in that year. I'm going to take you real quick to our site and show you what a Schedule D looks like. This is our website, HarborFinancialOnline.com. You can prepare the return directly online here or use our estimator. You can put in, if you had a capital gain or loss, put it in there and see how it's going to affect your taxes this year. This is Schedule D. This is where you put in your assets. We have short term up top, long term down low. And you can see the boxes. It's asking the questions that I went over in the video. You'll need the description, the date you bought it, the date you sold it, price, cost, and it's going to come up with your gain or loss here. Now if you do the return online, it's automatically going to fill in these boxes and give you this form. So it makes it easy. If you had to do this by hand, you can see this is going to be pretty hard. So that's the main thing you need, the main things you need to know about capital gains and how to report them and what you have to report. If you have any questions regarding capital gains or losses, send me an email, expert@HarborFinancialOnline.com. Help you any way I can with them. Thanks for watching the video today. We have lots more videos out there, so if you want to learn about more deductions or credits, just take a look at those, and we have more coming. And if you have any ideas for future ones, just let me know. And check out our website, harborfinancialonline.com. You can prepare the return directly online or just use our estimator. So thank you, and we'll see you later.